Hi, I'm Ben from Freemius. Welcome to another episode of the Expert's Corner. In this episode, limiting license activations and upselling multi-license plans. Enjoy!
Every industry found its way of monetizing scale. So with SaaS, you see this using users. So if you have like one user, this is the plan for you. If you need 30 users, this is the plan for you. Or sometimes you see it in project management systems with projects. So you got to find that metric.
So for a long time, I sold two different versions of the plugin, but they weren't really licensed. I just had two different prices. And so it was only the honest customers that would come in and buy the bigger one. And the customers that bought the lesser one, they could actually activate it on as many sites as they wanted.
There is no way that business will sustain without repeating purchase from the client, which continues to extract the value from your product.
It makes sense. If you're running 50 websites, you're literally extracting 50 times more value than someone that is using a solution on just one website. So I definitely believe in creating those brackets based on installations.
When we're looking on desktop software, every software that is running getting their own memory, so there are no conflicts between software. While in a WordPress ecosystem, you have all these products running together, can communicate with each other, and can also break each other. So just by the fact that your product is running on more environments and more, combinations of plugins and themes, just by that fact, you are significantly increasing the chance for a support ticket.
It's a real challenge to limit the number of sites that you offer services for people unless it's something that they're using day in and day out.
It's pretty safe to say that on average, if a customer is using your plugin or theme on 10 websites compared to someone that is using your product on a single website, the chance that they will start a support ticket is 10 times higher.
WordPress plugins are usually for a specific purpose or for a project, and they might get added to a site, they might not get added to another site. And you know what? When it comes to super lossless, fancy image compression and extra features, that's mush. You might choose that these 5 sites that you've got or you're running don't need it so much as these other 5 sites. And you might even swap them over.
We used to sell just like a one-site license for our products, and we used to get queries like, is there a multi-site license at a discounted rate, or can I have a discount for my second site license purchase?
From our experience, agency licenses, like for multiple websites, is a very good thing.
Now we get like 0 queries related to number of site license, and this strategy has also helped us to increase our revenue.
A lot of people who have purchasing power in the WordPress space are WordPress consultants and small agencies, and they're looking for one solution for all their clients. And they will value agency licenses quite a bit.
There were a number of people that would buy the single site license. That eventually wasn't enough for them, that they would want to go and put it on 2 different sites, and suddenly it wasn't able to do that. So they would come and contact us, and that was an upsell opportunity for us. So I found that having a price plan that allows you to split this up is definitely something that will improve your business and it'll improve your revenue.
People that usually running multiple websites are freelancers, agencies, bigger businesses. They have more money to pay. If they want to get high quality support, which they do expect, and to get that support for all their websites, I think that it's just fair to ask them a higher price. I'm not saying that the price should be 10x the single site price, but it should be higher because of the risk for higher support load.
Plus, this brings quite a bit of money in one transaction. So I would definitely push for an agency license and feature it quite heavily.
It is some additional support hassle because now if they have problems, if the licensing doesn't work, if they try to activate on a second site and it breaks the first site, all of these things come to your support team. So that's a hassle, but it is something that has improved our business here with the plugins.
When it comes to limiting licenses or looking for upgrades, I think you've got to be really careful. WPM Dev has, for many years, continually had an unlimited site license, which we found has worked pretty well.
Unlimited is just a word for the marketing team. In reality, everything is limited. And it's actually better for you as a user to know how the business will earn from you. Business has to earn one way or another. And it will be better for you if the business will earn from the product and not selling your data somewhere.
I think that it might even be interesting to explore additional steps like features that are missing from different plans, and not just the amount of domains that you can install on that.
It's like when you have a shoe shop, it's good to have different size shoes, as every customer has a different need.